start with the charcoal and, well, the gravel. Gravel first, my apologies. The charcoal is to help keep your soil fresher. So I have a bag of gravel here, and I let these two would probably be the best. And you don't need that much for these. Just a thin layer at the bottom. Okay. And you don't use a whole bag of charcoal either.
How much of that you put in?
Now you don't want to go too far up with your soil. You don't want it to be above the lid of the bowl. So we always do just about halfway, which is what I did with this one here in the middle, and this guy in the bottle.
Tell them about the cactus mix, why you want to use that.
So the cactus mix has bark and other things that help with really well draining. You don't want to use a regular potting mix because that can retain the moisture, which you do not want for cactus. So I made a little hole for this guy.
You take it directly out of the...
Yep, right out of your pot. Now for the others, I think these worked great last time I used them. These are one of my new favorites. So I'll do this one first because he's really prickly here. So I'll go in between. And because they're so dry, they're really easy to get out of the soil too, which is really nice. Right out of that pot. So I'll take these and I made my little hole. You can just stick it right down inside. With this one, you want to be a little bit more careful because of the spines. Now these guys, if you get poked by them, it will hurt, and it probably hurt for a while too. And then you can use these to push that soil. And I like to use that other end because it's flatter, to push that soil up against it as well.
That feels like an effort.
Yeah, absolutely. Now this one will come out right away. So what you can do is just push the bottom of your pot and it'll come right out of it. That's one of my favorite. Like Rhonda said, it looks like a little bunny with the bunny ears. this is another thing I like the ponds for, is I have some gravel inside of my cactus here. That's what these come in handy for too. That way I won't get poked. Definitely saves some fingers. This part I can never do as good as you, Cheryl.
Oh.
The 3.
Usually 3s, yeah, I group them in 3s, 5s, 7s, depending on how big your thing is.
You always know how to layer.
It's all based on your own taste. If you like just one in there, I mean, you can do whatever you want. You could even simulate a dry stream bed or something like that.